Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your password on your Airbnb account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Airbnb application on your device. And once you open it up, you will be taken into the homepage where you can explore through various different properties. Now, if you wish to change the password for your account, make sure that you are logged in by using your email address and your password or your phone number or other social accounts. Once you have been logged in, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner, and now you will see the login and security option underneath settings. Go ahead and tap on it, and now you will see the password tab. Tap on the update button alongside it, and you will now be asked to enter your current password first. So just type in your password that you are currently using to log into your account. Then underneath this, tap on the new password option, and you will now be allowed to enter your desired new password. After typing in your desired new password, type it in once again within the confirm password box, and then tap on the update password button. Once you tap on this button, your password will be changed on your account right away. And now you will be able to use this new password in order to log into your account in the future. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your password on your Airbnb account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.